A350 has collided with a Coast Guard aircraft on the runway at Tokyo Haneda Airport. Flight JL516, originating from Chitose, Hokkaido, reportedly faced a collision with a Japan Coast Guard aircraft upon landing. The incident resulted in the plane catching fire after touching down around 5:47 p.m. local time. Over 70 fire-fighting vehicles rushed to the runway to combat the intense flames. This footage appears to show the plane hitting the other aircraft upon touchdown. Here's a view from inside the cabin. Even 2 hours after the plane landed, the fire continued to rage. As per information from flight tracker Flight Radar 24, the aircraft involved was identified as an Airbus A350. According to a Japan Airlines spokesperson, there were 367 passengers and 12 crew members on board JL516 who were all able to escape. The fire spread and the plane is now destroyed. The Japan Coast Guard -8 plane was also engulfed in flames. The pilot is said to have escaped, but 5 other crew members are still missing.